Control number 42198, please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir and madam. I am Jocelyn Imabilog. I'm 41 years old. I have one brother and one sister. I am the second child of the family. I have two sons, 20 and 14.
What is your educational attainment?
I am high school graduate in Sacred Heart School in Calamba, Misamis Occidental,
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
to earn money for my family and to my future.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
Yes, madam, in Kuwait as a domestic helper. I worked there in 8 years and 2 months.
Do you have experience in taking care of old person?
Yes, madam, I give bath, I change diaper, I give food and medicines.
Do you have experience in taking care of newly born babies and children?
Yes, madam,
What can you do for babies?
I give food and take a bath and give I change bed.
Aside from your daily household works, what other special skills you can do?
I can do cook and baking and sewing.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
I can cook Chinese food like fish steam and vegetables. I can cook Filipino, menudo and adobo. I can cook Italian food, spaghetti and carbonara.
Describe yourself as a housemaid.
I am honest and responsible and hardworking.
During misunderstanding with your employer, what do you do?
I apologize and I say sorry.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How do they treat you?
They treat me like a family.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
Dear mom and sir, if you will choose me as a domestic helper, I will promise to do my duties and responsibilities, and I promise to finish my 2 years contract. 2 more. Thank you so much.